Hello friends, welcome back to Pharma Zenith. In today's session, we are going to discuss about HAP MCQs on digestive system. Myself, Mr. Ambori Sandeep. Moving to the first question. What is the main function of digestive system? Options are hold and receive food. B. Control the chemical activities of the body. C. Break the food down to be used for energy. D. Remove excess water from the body. And the correct answer is break the food down to be used for energy. Next question. Which of the following is not a function of digestive system? We have to find out which is not a function. Options are ingestion, digestion, absorption, protection. Can you guess the correct answer? Which of the following is not a function of digestive system? The correct answer is protection. Among these four options, ingestion, digestion and absorption are functions of digestive system, but this protection is not function of digestive system. So correct option is protection. Moving to the next question. The portions of small intestine in an anatomical order would be ileum, jejunum, duodenum, duodenum, ileum, jejunum, jejunum, ileum, duodenum, duodenum, jejunum, ileum. We have to find out exact anatomical sequence of small intestine. Any guesses? And the correct answer is duodenum, jejunum, ileum. Next question. Which of the following is not a function of large intestine? Options are A. Absorption of water, B. Absorption of nutrients, C. Production of vitamin K, and D. Production of feces. We have to find out which is not a function of large intestine. And the correct answer is absorption of nutrients. Among these four options, absorption of nutrients is not function of large intestine, but absorption of water, production of vitamin K, and production of feces is function of large intestine. So remember that. Moving to the next question. Which type of digestion begins in the mouth? Fat, lipids, carbohydrates, protein. Means which type of material, which type of food get digested in mouth itself. And the correct answer is carbohydrate. Digestion of carbohydrate starts in mouth only. Next question. Allows for both food and air to pass through. Options are esophagus, larynx, epiglottis, and pharynx. We have to find out the part of digestive system which allows both food and air to pass through. And the correct answer is pharynx. Pharynx is the part of digestive system which plays an important role for transfer of both food and air. Next, dash is the location where majority of nutrients are absorbed. Options: jejunum, large intestine, duodenum, ileum. Can you guess the correct answer? Jejunum. Jejunum is the location where majority of nutrients are absorbed. Next, list in order the structure food would pass through the before exiting body. Options are pharynx, stomach, large intestine, small intestine. B. Stomach, jejunum, large intestine, anus. C. Duodenum, stomach, large intestine, anus. And D. Rectum, anus, large intestine, small intestine. We have to find out the anatomical order. And the correct answer is stomach, jejunum, large intestine, and anus. See this stomach, it goes to small intestine part, that is jejunum, which ultimately leads to large intestine, and at last it exited out of the body through anus. Next question. How long is the small intestine in an adult? Options are 22 feet, 30 inches, 30 feet, 17 feet. Do you know the length of small intestine in body? The correct answer is 22 feet. Means 5 to 6 meters. Total length of GIT is around 9 meter, and total length of small intestine is around 5 to 6 meter, and in feet it is around 22 feet. Next question. Where does the digestive process begin? Options are stomach, esophagus, mouth, pharynx. Can you guess the correct answer? And the correct answer is mouth. As we have already discussed in few previous question, that carbohydrates are started digested in mouth only. So process begins at mouth only. Next question. What is the liver's main role? Options are to produce digestive enzymes, turn water into minerals for absorption, assist the stomach with digestion, D, remove harmful substances from the blood. The correct answer is remove harmful substances from the blood. Next, when they reach the stomach, what do food particles combine with? Options are gastric juices, mucus, bile, enzymes. When food particles reaches the stomach, with what they get combined? And the correct answer is gastric juices. In stomach, they get contacted with gastric juices. Next, where is bile made? Options are stomach, liver, duodenum, and gallbladder. Any guesses? And the correct answer is liver. Bile is formed or made in liver. Next, what tube moves food from throat to your stomach and is posterior to trachea? Options are esophagus, epiglottis, pharynx, larynx. The correct answer is esophagus. Esophagus is posterior to the trachea and which allows passage of food material from throat to the stomach. Next, how long does the large intestine measure? Options are 1 foot long, 10 feet long, 100 feet long, 5 foot long. And the correct answer is 5 foot long. Next, which of the following describes Crohn's disease? Options are small intestine damage and interferes with nutrient absorption. B, develops from polyps. C, part of the intestine protrude through a weak part in the abdominal wall. And D, inflammation of digestive tract. Can you guess the correct answer? Correct answer is inflammation of digestive tract. It is called as a Crohn's disease. Next question. The symptoms of disease include generalized abdominal pain, pain localized in the lower right abdomen. Disease would be, options are inguinal hernia, appendicitis, celiac disease, colon cancer. We have to find out the disease name in which there is a generalized abdominal pain which is localized in lower right abdomen, and that disease is named as appendicitis. where there is inflammation or swelling on the appendix. The disease is called as the appendicitis. Next question. This disease is characterized by the intestine protruding through a weak point or tear in the abdominal wall. Options are Crohn's disease, celiac disease, appendicitis, inguinal hernia. Do you know the answer? The correct answer is inguinal hernia. Inguinal hernia is a disease in which part of the intestine protrudes out of the abdominal wall. Next, people who have this disease cannot tolerate gluten, rye, and barley. Options are Crohn's disease, celiac disease, inguinal hernia, colon cancer. Means we have to find out the disease name in which people cannot tolerate gluten, rye, and barley. And that disease is celiac disease. Next, symptoms of disease include diarrhea, red or dark blood in stool, weight loss, abdominal pain. Surgery is most common treatment. And options are Crohn's disease, colon cancer, celiac disease, inguinal hernia. Any guesses? Correct answer is colon cancer, which includes diarrhea, red or dark blood in stool, weight loss, abdominal pain, and most of the time surgery is most common treatment. Next, which of the following is not associated with digestive system? Options are dialysis technician, dietitian, dentist, and central service technician. We have to find out which is not associated with digestive system. The correct answer is dialysis technician. As we know that dialysis is related with urinary system dysfunctioning. So it is not part of digestive system. Moving to the next question. This professional help to prevent and treat illness by promoting healthy eating habits and recommending dietary modification. Options are dentist, B, dental hygienist, C, dietitian, and D, central service technician. We have to find out the name of professional which is ultimately deals with the healthy eating habits and which recommends the dietary modification. The correct answer would be dietitian. Dietitian is the correct answer. So friends, thank you very much. If you like this content, do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates on our YouTube channel, Pharma Zenith. Thank you.